How to delete all project in one click in your BN Video Editor application. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more video like this. Go to BN application and BN homepage. As you can see, there are more projects created on my BN Video Editor application. So if you want to delete all this project in one click, okay, on the top, you can see here the edit word here on the top of this project. Tap the edit button. And now you can see here the select all button on the upper right side on your screen. Tap this. And we have successfully select all project. To delete all in one click, tap the delete button below. And are you sure to delete this project? Tap OK on the pop-up to delete all project on your BN Video Editor application on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and see you for my next video.